Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. Today I want to share with you great news about Stellar Coin because there is a very big pattern flashed, a bullish harmonic reversal pattern flashed. I want to show you that pattern and I will show you the targets as well. But before moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you the previous support that I was showing you. The price line did not break down this support since December 2020, and finally it has broken down the support here. But there is still a probability that before ending of this week, the price line will be reversed back, because so far the price line is not close below this support line, and it will be recovered back, reversed back above this resistance, and this resistance will turn into the support again. Now, if we take a look at the major support and resistance levels, then I told you that this 28 cents on this weekly time frame. 28 cents is really very important support because previously it was working as a support here and as a support here as well and as a support here as well. Therefore, this was really very significant support, and the price line should be recovered back, reversed back above this support as soon as possible. Now let's move to the harmonic move that I want to show you. That is a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that I've shared for my members at the Patreon on December 11, when the price line completed the leg and reversed back. And I told my members that we can wait for the price line to move down inside this buying zone. That starts from 24.85 cents and goes to approximately 20 cents. And then we can place our buying orders. And our sell targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this harmonic bullish reversal move, start from 31.86 cents and goes to 39.29 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line moved more down and completed the leg again. Already the leg was completed, but it has entered in this buying zone. And such patterns on the weekly time frame are normally flashed once or twice a year. So this is really very nice opportunity to buy Stellar Coin from such a dip from this buying zone, and we can sell it between the sell targets. Before this, in the month of July, this was the pattern that I shared with you. In the month of June, when the price line formed a very big harmonic bullish versus cypher move on the 2 weekly time frame chart, and I told you that from here we can expect a reversal move. Now let me just show you how the price line behaved after posting this chart. And by the way, the targets for this move is still due because the price line moved very close to the targets and moved down inside the buying zone. I'm just playing the chart, and now you can see that the price line moved up and hardly hit the sell target. Like for example, the sell target was 44.39, and it rallied up to 44.12. That was really very close and moved down. So you can also set your sell targets according to this pattern as well. That is 44.39 cents to 67.57 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.